This is step 9 of the extreme drought tolerant garden. It's pretty cold out here. It's in the 40s. So earlier in the week, I burned some brush, and you want to collect this this stuff right here. Okay, very valuable stuff. It gets served as fertilizer down the road. But let me show you what I've done here. Okay, so I planted everything, and I got about a 40% germination at the locations, and so what I've done was the ones that I had multiple, I put about 4 or 5 seeds in each location, and let me just do this real quick. And I spread them out. You know, I dug up the ones that had multiple seed sprout, and I transplanted them. Now, you know, because it's a taproot, it might not take. So you got to have another plan in place on what to put in that location. And I could either put garlic or onions. But I'm going to see if it takes, and just show you here. I got cilantro growing in here. That's cilantro. And you want to observe your garden. Okay, some areas things are growing better than others. Down there, I got a lot of green down there. Here, the soil's more red, so there's a lot more nutrients in here. But let me show you. This is a transplant right here, and this is the one I did on. I spent 3 days doing transplants, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. So I cut that, and I don't know if it's showing up on the video, but anyways, I cut that, and the idea is that you know, the taproot might be trying to reestablish itself. You know, get organized and try to develop you know, a method to get nutrients out of the soil. It might come back. That would be like an animal eating the top of the plant, right? It'd be like an animal eating the top of the plant. So maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. But if it doesn't work, I got the plan to put the onions or garlic in its place. So, you know, I got ants in here. But let me show you the beneficials that came up from last year. And it's, remember, I had about a 40% germination, and everything in here is, you know, transplants. Oh, dang, let me show you. You want to find, like right here, there's about 5 or 6 plants in this one location. Okay, I just thinned them out and spread them around. You want to collect the soil that comes up, because you could use it for other areas. See, like right here, I put that in a bucket. But here's the what came from last year. I didn't plant this; it just came up. So I got some daikon radish in there, a garlic that I missed. I'm starting to think I should go to the supermarket and get the Mexican Mesa garlic and plant it in here, because it grows really good. Let's see, beneficials. This is all daikon radish. The thing is nobody eats it. And what I noticed with the transplants, when I put water, when I watered right away, everything wilted. And you know, the ones that I just transplanted and I didn't water, they seem to be doing better. Let me show you. See, these are the ones, I did 4 rows on day 1, 5 on day 2, And you know, I just finished the last 3 over here. But 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the transplant on the 2nd day. I didn't water these, and they seem to be doing a little better. They seem to be doing a little better compared to the ones over here where I watered right away. So we got another rain coming in another couple days, 2 or 3 days. So we'll just let the rainwater do what it's got to do and see what happens. So step 9, cultivate at least the top of your rows. What I did right here. All the top of the rows have been cultivated, de-weeded, and now I'm just going to collect. I'm going to collect that wood ash. It's very valuable. I'm going to use it for the potatoes. Grow potatoes and hay. See how that does. That wood ash on the top, and use it as fertilizer. See how it goes. But that's step 9: cultivate and fill in all your spaces. Okay, remember that that sugar beet has a deep taproot. It has like a 2-foot taproot. So if I just water in the troughs, it's going to sink down into the deeper depths of the mound, and the taproot should be able to get a lot of moisture and water. All right, it's pretty cold. See y'all later.